John, can you believe how beautiful it is?
Gorgeous. I wish I had more telephoto.
Oh. Oh. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. That's where the goldfish are.
Are there still any left?
They're all left.
There's
They're
another
thriving.
one. Number 3. Where's the 4th one? Oh, John, can you see it?
Where is it?
You see the one on the tub behind
yeah.
the fountain?
Yeah.
The light was just shining on it. It was just glowing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they're pretty. See, there's still one down there on the fountain.
Because I'm shooting the movie, can I walk out there, film it, and they'll all fly away?
No, I'll fly away.
Okay, well then I'm gonna. Oh, he's hopping
Look, there's
over
one
there.
on the plant.
All right. Goodbye.